Everyone knows their credit score is important. I mean, duh. How many things rely on good credit? Car loans, mortgages, rental approval, the list goes on and on. But for those who don't have the best score, it can often feel like a challenging thing to prioritize. And I get it. Being told to get your credit score up is the financial equivalent of being told to eat your vegetables as a kid. Now that I've hopefully scared you a bit as to why your credit score is so important, here are a few key steps to take to get your score up. And remember, your credit score can range from 300 to 850. The higher the number, the better your credit score. The most important first step you can take to get your credit score to a good place is to get a full picture of your debts. I know, it's no fun to look at any amount of debt, let alone all of it, but it's super important. And it doesn't have to be all that daunting. SoFi Credit Insights is one of our favorite budgeting apps because it makes doing this incredibly easy. When you sign up, you'll be able to link everything from your checking and savings accounts to investment and retirement accounts to your credit cards, student loans, and mortgages so you can see your entire financial life in one place. Even if for some reason you aren't able to add a specific account, you can add the account manually, so you'll get a full picture of your finances. From then on, you'll have a bird's eye view of your financial life. From there, SoFi Credit Insights will also help you monitor your credit score. It will easily enable you to track your credit score. It does a soft pull of your score so your actual score isn't impacted and will alert you if it changes. It also acts as a guide of sorts to help you understand what is impacting your score. It will help you stay up to date on changes to key factors contributing to your credit score and make suggestions for things you can do to influence your score to get it up. Speaking of, perfect segue into our next topic. What exactly impacts your credit score? Well, the short answer is a lot. FICO remains the most popular credit score, and it's important to understand what components determine it. Understand those components, and you'll understand what you need to do to get your credit score up. So what are they? Your payment history, credit usage, the age of your accounts, credit mix, and any new inquiries. And no, they're not all equal. As you can see, certain components carry a heavier weight than others. Because payment history makes up such a key part of your credit score, it is so important that you make payments on your debt on time, even if you are making just the minimum payments. If you need a little bit of help in this department, set calendar reminders for yourself to make payments or set up automatic bill payments. It's also important to keep your credit utilization in check. Your credit utilization is the amount of your credit limit that you are using at a given time. It's ideal to pay off all your credit cards and debts in full every month. We know that's not always possible, so strive to utilize 30% or less of your total credit limit. SoFi Credit Insights can also be a great help in this department as it actively monitors your utilization and payment progress. In other words, it does the hard work for you. One tip to work on your credit utilization besides paying down your debts as much as possible is to ask for credit limit increases. Just make sure to not increase your balances if you get a higher credit limit. Another thing to be careful of is how many credit lines you have open. Every time you request a new line of credit, there will be what is called a hard pull on your credit report. New credit inquiries impact your credit score directly, so this is something to be very cautious about. Don't request new lines of credit if you can help it. And lastly, don't wait too long to work on your credit score, because working on your credit score is really not something to delay. I know you've heard me say it throughout this video, but signing up for SoFi Credit Insights is a great first step, and it's 100% free to use. Here's how to get started. Become a SoFi user if you aren't already, either via the web or the SoFi app. Once you've done that, activate SoFi Credit Insights. Connect all of your financial accounts to the SoFi Credit Insights dashboard so you can see your net worth, plus credit monitoring and customized spending tracking. That's it! You'll be well on your way to meeting your financial goals. Just think about what you will be able to accomplish once you improve your credit score. Ready to get up to the 800s? Or at least make vast improvement? Hop on over to SoFi and check out my other videos. I believe in you! And I'll link even more credit resources below. Credit to the moon!